Hey friends, welcome to the channel. I have this YouTube channel which it has more than 100 million views, which is insane amount of people they have watched my video. But also it has more than 600,000 subscribers, and I have this another YouTube channel which it has only 9,000 subscribers. So in this video I'm going to tell you what can you do to have successful YouTube channel, and I will show you with a vivid example because I've been on YouTube for more than 6 years and I know a lot of stuff about YouTube. How can you have a successful YouTube channel? So listen to me very careful from this beginning to the end of this video, and I promise you that you will not regret. And you have to understand all these mistakes that I've done so you can have successful YouTube channel. These are the things that I'm going to tell you really don't have to do if you're starting a YouTube channel in this year 2024. Alright, so this is my channel dashboard. As you can see right here, I've made more than 100 million views, but also it has more than 600,000 subscribers. But on this channel I've been able to post more than 80,000 videos. You can see there are a lot of videos on this channel. It shows how much I was working like really hard. I dedicated my time on this channel. I was working like every single day. I was making sure on this channel I was posting at least 4 videos from Monday to Sunday. I have a lot of regrets on this channel, but this channel, it has helped me so much. It has changed my life. But also I want to tell you, if you really want to start a YouTube channel right now, you really don't have to pass it this way that I've been through, because it's really not a smart move for you to start making money. I recently come to realize that this amount of views that I have on this channel, I could have made more than $1 million, which is an insane amount of money, because I've seen great YouTubers who are making less amount of views than I am, but they're making decent amount of money. So this is why I regret about this channel. I was receiving more than 2 million views every single month, 3 million views every single month, but the amount of money that I was making, it was really not satisfying. But also I want to tell you one thing: if I have more than 1 million views, I can make up to $600, which is really not reasonable amount of money. But I've seen a lot of people who are making more than 1 million views. They're making a decent amount of money, up to $10,000 or $20,000. So the difference is rare. The difference is huge, and that's the reason I regret about this channel. I was working really hard, but I was really not working smart. And that's the reason that I want to tell you, if you really want to create a YouTube channel, you really don't have to regret later. You have to understand the process, you have to understand the game. You need to know what kind of niche that you really want to talk about on YouTube. So in this video I'm going to show you what exactly that you need to do to start making like a reasonable amount of money. And you really have to work smart, not working hard, as I was working very hard, but I was really not making a reasonable amount of money, because the high amount of money that I made on that channel per month, it was only $3,000, but I was making more than 4 million views a month, up to 6 million views a month. So if you really want to have successful YouTube channel, you have to think about the topics or the niche that you really want to talk about on your YouTube channel, because there are topics on YouTube which you can get a decent amount of money. If you talk about investment, if you talk about how to make money online, if you talk about insurance and finance, you can make a decent and reasonable amount of money, because this niche tends to pay like high amount of money. But if you talk about gossip, if you talk about entertainment, I was talking about gossip, I was talking about entertainment, so I was really not making decent amount of money because of the topics and the niche that I was doing. You have to create a YouTube channel which you think is that it's really not going to be based about gossip and entertainment. These are kind of niche that you can get money, but you really cannot get like decent amount of money. And also you have to know your audience. The biggest regret that I have, I was posting on this channel, and all the videos that I was posting on this channel, I was speaking my local language. So I was really not letting other people who don't speak my language to view my videos. And that was the biggest problem, because I got a small audience only in my country. So if you really want to create a YouTube channel right now, you have to make sure that you speak English language, because many people, they know English language, and that can have a huge impact on your channel. So you really have to consider that if you really want to create a YouTube channel in 2024. You have to focus on creating better brands. People, they need to view your video because they love to watch you, they love to listen to you. So it's really important to focus on creating a better brand and that brand, it can give you a lot of connection, it can give you a good relationship between you and your audience, it can have huge impact on your revenue. So it's really important to focus on creating a better and trusted brand for you. So the total amount of money that I've made on this channel is really not a reasonable amount of money, because I have a lot of views, but when you come to the amount of money that I generated on this channel, it's really not a decent amount of money. I've made only $60,000 on this channel. I appreciate that, but it's really not decent amount of money, because I've seen a lot of great content creators who are making decent amount of money, but they're making less amount of views. So that's the reason I've made this video. If you really want to create a YouTube channel, you really don't have to regret. If you really don't want to regret in the future, you have to follow all the things that I've mentioned in this video, because I've wasted a lot of energy, I've wasted a lot of time, because if I knew area, I could have done better. I could have opened a YouTube channel about finance, about insurance or investment, but I came to realize only like 2 years ago, and it was too late. If you really want to have successful YouTube channel and you really want to make like decent amount of money, you really don't have to waste time on things that they're really not going to benefit you. You really have to create a YouTube channel that is really going to benefit you and is really going to change your life like forever. So this is very important things for you to consider if you really want to create a YouTube channel. So that's it for today, and I think you have enjoyed my video. Thanks so much, and see you next